This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium hair look good. First, let's dive into the fundamentals. Knowing your hair type, whether it's fine, thick, straight, or curly, is crucial for choosing the right products and techniques. Using a good shampoo and conditioner specifically formulated for your hair's needs can make a significant difference. Also, remember that consistent trims, about every 6 to 8 weeks, are essential to keep your medium-length hair looking its absolute best and free from split ends. Next, let's talk about adding volume and texture, which can really elevate medium-length hair. For a boost, apply a golf ball-sized amount of volumizing mousse directly to your damp roots before you even pick up your blow dryer. When drying, use a medium-sized round brush to lift sections at the crown, creating beautiful bounce. For effortless texture, try a sea salt spray or use a 1-inch curling iron to create loose, natural-looking waves throughout your hair. Medium hair is incredibly versatile for various up-does and half-up styles. A classic low bun, positioned at the nape of your neck, offers an elegant and sophisticated appearance perfect for any occasion. For a more casual yet refined look, gather the top half of your hair into a half-up ponytail or bun, securing it with a pretty clip. Don't forget to experiment with braids, like a simple 3-strand or a fishtail, to add intricate detail and charm. Finally, let's discuss maintaining that beautiful shine and overall hair health. Always apply a heat protectant spray generously before using any hot tools, like flat irons or curling wands, to shield your strands from damage. A nourishing hair mask, used once a week, will provide deep conditioning and repair. To complete your look, a pea-sized amount of shine serum, smoothed over the mid-lengths and ends, will give your medium hair a gorgeous, healthy luster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.